What if every question you have ever had about your life, why certain people comes again and again into your life, why you feel called to a purpose that you cannot see, what if the answers were already written, not somewhere out of the reach, but within you, accessible right now. Welcome. I am so glad you are here. This side Neha Singla. Today, I am going to guide you into your Akashic Records. Akashic Records, the sacred energetic archive of your soul's entire journey. Every lifetime, every lesson, every contract, all of it waiting for you. You do not need to be a mystic for this today. Focus on my voice, on this guided meditation. You do not need years of practice but certain attunements. This is an opportunity to access your Akashic Records. So, let's begin. Find a comfortable position, seated, upright or lying down, whichever feels right for your body today. Close your eyes gently. Take a slow breath in through your nose. Hold it for a moment and release completely through your mouth. Again, breathe in, hold and let go. One more time. This breath is an act of intention. You are choosing to step beyond the noise of daily life and into this sacred space. Now, feel your body grow heavy and supported. Feel the weight of your shoulders drop. Soften your jaw. Relax the space between your eyebrows. Bring your awareness down through your body, through your chest, your belly, now to your hips, all the way down through your legs and the soles of your feet. Imagine a warm, golden light entering through the crown of your head. It moves slowly downward, like liquid sunlight, filling every cell with calm, protective energy. This light surrounds you completely, like a luminous egg of pure white and gold. Nothing that is not of love and light may enter this space. You are safe, you are protected, and you are ready. Before we open the records, we raise the vibrations, tuning ourselves to the frequency of divine love and truth. Breathe in the feeling of gratitude for this moment, that you are having the opportunity of being in this moment. Think of the things, at least just two, that your heart is grateful for today. And let that feeling bloom into your heart chakra. Now, breathe in the feeling of love. Love for yourself, for the journey your soul has chosen, for the courage it takes to seek the truth. Let your heart chakra fill in with this feeling of love. With every breath, allow this feeling of love in your heart chakra. And breathe in the feeling of openness, the willingness to receive whatever your soul most needs to know right now, without any judgment, without any fear. We all are on the journey of exploring the sacred records. Feel and trust that you are ready to enter now. Now silently or aloud, speak this invocation from your heart. These words are a sacred key. I now ask to be connected with my Akashic records, the complete record of my soul's journey across all the time, all space, all dimensions. I ask that only the highest guides, masters, and beings of unconditional love step forward to accompany me. I ask that only truth that serves my highest good and the good of all be revealed to me now. I open my records in love. I open my records in trust. I open my records in gratitude, and so it is. It is important to feel that shift, that subtle change in the energy at your heart chakra, a warmth in your hands, or maybe a tingling at the crown, or anything which you are feeling right now, a sense of expansion in your chest, or simply a deep, settled stillness. All of this is welcome. Bring your entire awareness to your heart chakra now. And just within your heart chakra, imagine yourself standing at the base of a grand staircase. It goes up towards the golden light, and each step is carved with something ancient and sacred. Begin to climb. With each step, you feel lighter. With each step, you feel more expansive. Count slowly. 1. Climb up. 2. 3. Climb up. 4. Climb up. 5. Climb up. 6. Climb up. 8. Climb up. 9. And when you reach at the staircase 9, you see this is the top of the staircase, and it has the set of the enormous doors, number of doors. They are made of light, shimmering, luminous, welcoming. Above all the doors, words are engraved that only your soul can read. Reach out and place your hand on any of the door you feel like. They are warm to touch. As the doors swing open, you step into your hall of records. Go inside. Take it in. Take a long deep breath. Take it in. Notice what you see there, the color of your hall, the height of the ceilings, the quality of the light. There is no wrong answer. This space belongs to you. In front of you, you may sense a presence. Maybe your Akashic guides, your records keeper. They may appear as beings of light, as elders, as a sense of loving intelligence surrounding you. Greet them with love. Do not get overwhelmed. They have been waiting for you. They have been waiting for this moment. Now is your time to ask. You may come with a specific question about a soul contract, a relationship, a recurring pattern in your life. Speak your question silently, precisely, and clearly, with sincerity and openness. And now, simply receive. Do not force, don't analyze, just notice what arises. Is it an image? Is it a word? Is it a feeling in your body, a knowing that lands without explanation? The records do not always speak in sentences. They might speak in symbols, in impressions, in sudden clarity. Trust what you receive. Trust what you don't yet receive. Sometimes the answers arrive in the hours and the days after this session. Maybe in a dream, a conversation, or a sudden moment of knowing. Before you leave, you may ask your record keepers, is there anything else my soul needs to know today? Receive with gratitude. Now it is a time to gently close your records for today. Say your thank you to your record keepers and to the entire energy, to the guide who has brought you here. Stand from your place and walk back through the hall towards the staircase. As you pass through them, they close gently behind you. You walk back down the staircase. With each step downward, you feel more grounded, more embodied, more present. Count 5. Come down. 4, 3. Start feeling your body, feeling your breath. 1. Speak loud or silently that I now close my Akashic records. I am grateful for the wisdom that is received. I return to my physical self, fully present, fully grounded, fully anchored in love. Take a deep breath in and release. Wiggle your fingers and toes. Feel the surface beneath you. When you are ready, slowly open your eyes. Welcome back. Take a moment before you reach for your phone or return to the day. Write down anything you received. Your wisdom, your soul speak to you. If this meditation resonated, you could reach to your Akashic records. We explore the soul records more. We will explore more Akashic readings and the deeper patterns that is shaping your life every week, that is shaping your soul purpose every month. So, what did your records show you today? Thank you. Until next time we meet again. Trust your soul's path.